Hi, good morning everybody. Well, do we have a good recipe today? We're having a 2-ingredient chocolate brownie keto low carb recipe for you today. So simple. It'll take just a few minutes to do it. First of all, we've got a bag of unsweetened chocolate chips, which we're going to melt in the microwave, and I'm going to do it like 30-second intervals. Stir so we will be sure not to burn them. And then we've got 6 eggs that we're going to break and put in this bowl, and we're going to mix them till they're frothy, and I'll show you how to do that. And we're going to spray our pan. It's going to be like in a 9x9 or 8x8 pan. It's got a parchment piece of paper inside of it. I'm going to spray the pan so that we know it will not stick. So let's get started. Okay, now our chocolate is melted. I put it in the microwave and I checked it like every 30 seconds, and it took 2 minutes. So, and it's nice and chocolatey. It's ready to go. So we're going to put that aside. Now, we have spread our pan. There's the pan. We're going to spread it so it's ready to go. There's the pan. So it's ready to go. Okay. Now, the next step is to, let me turn the camera around. We're going to break up 6 eggs. Okay, and while I'm doing that, we'll get the oven ready to cook it. Okay, now we've got our 6 eggs cracked. And what we're going to do, we're going to mix them up and until they're foamy. You don't want to mix it up totally, but we're going to make them foamy. So here we go. All right, here we go. Now there are eggs, they're foamy. Now I'm going to slowly, I need a bigger bowl. Hold on a sec. Now we're going to pour our melted chocolate in this big bowl, and then we're going to pour the eggs into the bowl with the chocolate. And this chocolate smells good. Alright, now let's slowly add these eggs to the chocolate. We don't want to cook the eggs. And stir, 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 stir until it's all chocolatey. And that's all we have to do to it. Besides, we put it in the pan, put it in the oven 350 for 15 minutes, and you're going to have brownies. 2-ingredient brownies. Now, if you want to add, once they're done, if you want to add a little salt to it, peppermint, anything on top of the brownie, if you want to add more flavor. But stir, stir, stir. I need a strong arm. Woo. You see how it's coming together? I'm getting my workout. Thank you for visiting the channel today. We're going to have some more keto recipes coming along. Bert is diabetic, and so he's not supposed to be eating sugar, although he slips every now and then. But anyway, this is going to help with sugar. So there it is. It looks like cake batter. Can you see it? Okay, let's pour it in the pan, and we're going to cook it. And if you wanted to intensify the taste of the chocolate, you can always use like a teaspoon of instant coffee. Coffee does intensify chocolate. Okay, let's spread it out. That's it. Now let's go stick it in the oven and get it ready to eat. Okay, it just came out of the oven. It's cooked for 15 minutes.
So we're going to take a knife and we're going to try to cut out a little piece.
And it's hot, very hot. Look at that.
Okay, that's the texture.
It
It looks just like
a brownie. Ooh, it's hot. Turn the other side so you can see the inside.
You can see the inside. Effect is I'm going to put a little bit of Himalayan salt on top of this.
And that will intensify the flavor.
Oh.
Tastes like a brownie?
It's a brownie. It's got the texture completely of a brownie. If I were going to do this again, I would add maybe 1 or 2 tablespoons of some type of sweetener. Another idea of a low carb dessert with no sweetness.
Okay, for those that are making the brownies, we've got a ready whipped topping. It comes out with 0 sugar and it is keto friendly. So Bert is sitting here having brownies with.
Put some of the Ready Whip on it. It really enhances the flavor and it makes this keto brownie a good brownie.
Woo, watch your beard.
That's good.
You got it in your hand. All right, he's wearing his food, so all is good.
That really adds to the flavor. It makes it good.
Want some more?
I'm going to have another taste. You guys take care and we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.